Animals begin with the letter J. Come with me. J is for jellyfish, floating in the sea. J is for jackal, wild and free. J, 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 can you see? Animals with J, happy as can be. J is for jaguar, you can see. J is for jackrabbit, hopping free. J is for Japanese macaque in the trees. J is for junco in the breeze. J is for jabiru, standing tall. J is for Javan, rhino, strong and all. J is for jackdaw, flying high. J is for jackal, hear its cry. J, 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 now we know. Animals with J, put on a show. Thanks for joining our joyful play. With the letter J we learned today.